Welcome to Brain Vision.
This is the problem number 2, and the part A is find the standard deviation of the distribution given in example 1.1, and the distribution in example 1.1 is given as the density rho x is equal to 1 upon 2 hx in the range 0 to x to h, and this is 0 other than this range. Rho x is 0 for others value of x. That is, when x is greater than h, then this value will be 0. So in this problem we have to find the standard deviation, and for this the standard deviation is defined as, that is, uh, expectation value of the x square minus expectation value of the x square and the square root. Let's assume that this is the equation number 1. So that means we have to find this x square and this x. So let us find first that x, mean value of the x, is equal to, in the range 0 to h, and the x and rho x and dx. From here 0 to x, 0 to h, and the value of the rho x, and rho x is 1 upon 2 x h and dx. Here 2 and the h is the constant, so that means 1 upon 2 square root of h, and it is 0 to h. This is x divided by root x and dx. So it will be x 1 by 2, that is 1 upon 2 root h, and this value is x over 1 by 2 and the dx. And the integration of this, that is x power 3 by 2, x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, and the integration limit are 0 to h. So here this is 1 upon 2 square root of h, and it is 3 by 2, and this value is h power 3 by 2, and this is h power 1 by 2. And if you solve this one, then you will get the average value of the x, or the mean value or the expectation value of the x is h by 3. Now let's find the average value of the x square. Second part of a, that is x square is equal to 0 to h x square into 1 by 2 x h and the dx, and do the same problem, same as previous. It is 1 upon 2 square root of h, and it is 0 to h. This is x square upon root x and dx. Now 2 minus 1 by 2, and it will be h 3 by 2, that it is 1 upon 2 square root of h, and this is 0 to h, x power 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, and dx. The integration of this, that is x power 5 by 2, x power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, and the integration limit are 0 to h. So it will be 1 upon 2 root h into 2 by 5 and h power 5 by 2, and it is h power 1 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, then it will be h square, and this 2 to 2 cancel, so it will be 1 by 5 h square, that is x square is equal to 1 by 5 h square. Now the standard deviation is, according to equation number 1, that is sigma is equal to square root of x square minus x square. Now substitute this value, that it is 1 by 5 h square, 1 by 5 h square minus, and that is 1 by 9, because this x average value is 1 by 3 h, so it will be 1 by 9 h square square root, and h is the common, that it is h, and it is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 9 square root, and it will be 4 by 45, that is sigma is equal to h into 4 by 45, that is square root of the 4 is 2, and square root of 45, that is 5 into 9 and 3 root 5, and when you put this solution, you will get 0.298. So sigma is equal to 0.2981 h. This is the standard deviation of the given distribution in example 1.1. Now the B part of the question is, what is the probability that a photograph selected at random would show a distance x more than one standard deviation away from the average? So suppose there is a distribution here, and this distribution like this, then suppose this is the mean value of x, the delta x, and here this value is delta x plus, let us represent by this, so this value is delta x plus sigma, and this value is delta x minus sigma. So let us assume this is x plus and this value is x minus. So we have to find the probability in this range x plus to x minus, and this probability is defined as p is equal to 1 minus x minus 2x plus and rho x and dx. So this is the probability which is selected in the random, and it shows the distance x more than one standard deviation away from the average. So from here, so this value is the average. Let's find this value. So it is 1 minus and x minus 2 x plus, and rho x is 1 upon 2 hx and dx. From here, this is 1 minus 2 square root of h, and this value will be x minus 2x plus, and this value is x power minus 1 by 2, and dx and the value of this integration is 1 minus 2 upon root, oh sorry, this is 1 square root of h, and this value will be x power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2, and the integration limit is x minus 2x plus it is 2 by 1, that means this 2 to cancel, so it will be 1 minus 1 upon square root of h, and this value will be x plus square root minus x minus square root, where let us assume this value is, this equation is 2, where x plus is equal to mean value of the x plus sigma, and mean value of the x is the h by 3, and this value is 2h by 3 root 5, or that means this value is 0.3333h, and this value is 0.2981h, and when you add this one, then you will get 0.6315h. So this is the value of the x plus. Similarly, x minus is equal to x minus sigma, and then put the value here, then you will get 0.352h. This is the value of the x minus. Now put this value in this equation here, that is p is equal to 1 minus 1 upon square root of h, x plus is 0.6351h minus 0.35, oh sorry, this value is 0.0352h, and from here this value is 1 minus the square root h is common, that is it is 1, that is 0.6351 minus 0.0352. Now if you subtract this one by putting the square root of this, then you will get p is equal to 0.393. That means the probability is 39.3%, and that is 39.3%, that will be selected at the random, and it should a distance x more than 1 standard deviation away from the average. Thank you.